Yo, ski Malowskis. Dig this, dig it here, dig it here, dig it here, dig it here. I don't know if y'all thought I was playing. I know that last video I looked like a proud dad talking about his grandson, talking about his son on the basketball team, the football team, the hockey team, doing a gag of goddamn work. But no, we was talking about, we got the kids. We got the kids. But that's not the kid I was talking about. We wasn't talking about no kids. We was just talking about the exhaust system. You feel me? Now, I didn't get a chance to put the other video up, so I didn't get it fully done, because I'll be busy. And in order to get all these upgrades, I gotta work hard. You feel me? I'm not rich yet. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I get a sponsor. Hopefully I can get enough subscribers and all that extra stuff where I'll be able to do stuff like that. Upgrade my materials even quicker. You know what I'm saying? But for now, we gotta grind. But, you know what I'm saying? We headed to the crib. Headed to the crib. And I want y'all to experience this with me as I experienced it for myself. Me, y'all, and JJ. Yes, the seat is fucking pink. Don't judge me. Don't judge him. That's the only color they had. And it was an emergency. But we gonna get it fixed up. Black marker that bitch. You feel me? Ooh, somebody might be blocking us. You dig? Hold on, Mr. Castro. We got the calls coming in. Hopefully the video's still going. Ooh, I just rolled over some glass. Damn, I hope they don't do nothing to our tires. Oh. Y'all see that? Oh. Hey. You feel me? You feel me? Hey. There we go. There we go. There we go. You dig? Ooh, what's that? Let's go see. What's that, JJ? You want to go see what it is too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let's go see what it is. We're going to walk up on it. And we're going to pause the video, get it all inside, because I got to get the squirt inside. I got to get both of our food inside. But most importantly, I got to get him inside. Hold on, man. For the car, open your door. Let's go, big man, big man. Real time, real time, real time, real time. Real time. And excuse me, Jace. Real time. We're gonna go ahead and pause the video and we'll be back. And we'll see what's inside of them. You did. I know what time it is. Really quickly. Didn't know to put it up upside down, but you see that box? the hairs, baby. Speed engineer. The gaskets to go with it. Header bolts. Let's see what's in the other one. Can't forget our speed engineering sticker now. We'll throw that all up in our back window. Whamski. Still recording, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. We just ran out of space. Yeah, man. That's how we rock and that's how we roll.